So I just ended up wrapping up a deal with a doctor that I have just absolutely enjoyed working with and helping. And he sent me an email and just said, hey, I want to discuss this with my colleagues. Will you just give me 5 bullet points on why these plans are incredible? And I'm talking about the plans in my book, Taming Wall Street. I cover a few really strong strategies in the book, but the main one is about how to use life insurance like a Roth IRA for my business owner clients and doctors who make too much money to participate in a Roth but would want to save more money than they could save in a Roth anyway. This ends up being a great program, and so I've come up with about 5 bullet points. There's obviously more than this, and I'm just going to hit these briefly, and then I'll go a little bit deeper, probably in 5 different videos. But these are the top benefits of using the plan that I describe in my book, Taming Wall Street. And I love these plans. I've been personally involved for over a decade in these. I got to learn this stuff from some of the best financial mentors out there. And I want to thank them for that. But let's go through this. So it's a cash value dividend paying whole life plan, or we can also look at what's called an index universal life. I tend to gravitate more towards the whole life because I believe in using these plans to be your own source of financing, or be your own bank, or infinite banking concept. So I just want to go through these. Number 1, these are secure and stable. Most of the groups that we work with, they've been in business for over 100 years. So 100 years ago, the country was doing really well. They were getting ready to head into a world war and the Great Depression. And I'm happy to say that during that time and every other major event that America has thrown at it, they have been able to cover their death claims and also grow their clients' money over time. And so they're very secure, very stable. A-rated companies in business, in most cases over 100 years, and just fantastic. Very conservative American companies with American employees, so pretty cool that way. It's a tool that allows you to beat inflation. In most cases, you're going to get tax-free about 5 to 6% interest or growth. In the whole life, part of that is guaranteed growth, and then the other part is a dividend. And that dividend is based on the performance of the company, how many people died, how their assets did. But because you're an owner, they share that with you. With the indexing strategy, it's based on what the stock market does, and there may or may not be a cap. But inflation is typically around 2 to 3%, depending on who you talk to. But everything seems to be rising much faster than that. And so if you have money sitting at the bank, it's safe, but it's also safely losing buying power. Okay, the next thing is a tax-favored program. We're $22 trillion in debt. The only way that the government takes care of the country is through taxation of its citizens. So I don't know where taxes are going to be in the future, but even if they never changed, when you go into retirement, wouldn't you like to have a large nest egg of money that's legally protected from Uncle Sam? In fact, it's blessed by Uncle Sam. It's written right into the tax code. So many of my wealthy doctors and business owners, they need a place where they can legally avoid taxation. And so this is a great program for that. It's a credit line for somebody that owns their business or likes to do investing, maybe real estate, maybe hard money lending, maybe inventory for your business, or expanding into a second location. Or like one of my eye doctor clients, he got tired of being an employee and now he owns his own clinic. A line of credit. As you build money up inside your plan, you always have first rights to that money over any other stream of revenue for the insurance company. So pretty cool that way. And then access to your money before you're 59 and a half. I got to tell you, that's one of the biggest things that I hate about a 401k or an IRA is if a medical emergency came up or an opportunity comes up, you can't do anything about it, right? I tell people all the time, when opportunity knocks, it's the people that have money that usually get to take advantage of the opportunity, right? And so you're not waiting until 59 and a half to take advantage of those opportunities, whether they're real estate or starting a business or whatever it might be. So anyway, leave a comment below. Are you using these plans? What advantages do you like about your plan, or after reading Taming Wall Street, that I don't have up here? And again, I'll go into more detail. But go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already a member. And make sure you hit that bell so that you're notified of future videos. If I can help in any way, please reach out to me at Stephen with a PH at yourbridgeplan.com. Otherwise, thanks for checking out today's video and these 5 bullet points on why the plan I describe in Taming Wall Street is such a powerful tool.